Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Turing and the Bombe. Let's have a look at the concept behind the Turing bomb, and the success which was possible thanks to Alan Turing's invention. The Turing bomb was based on the probable word method. This was possible as the Germans tended to always include certain military phrases such as Wehrmachtskommando. Hence, this potentially included phrase and the ciphertext were compared while different rotor positions were tried out. If there was a match, then also the remaining ciphertext was considered and it was checked whether it could be decrypted with the potential key. Since the Enigma tried out different keys, namely by trying out different settings and rotor positions, it is often said that the key is determined by brute force. The working mechanism of the Turing bomb was essentially several Enigmas used in series. The Turing bomb's point of attack was to first drastically reduce the number of potential keys. It was now possible to overcome the plugboard and the ring settings. What remained were only the different rotors and rotor positions. Hence, there remained only about 1 million different keys which had to be tried out. The required time can be calculated from the number of keys and the different settings per minute. In total, we obtain about 10 hours, which were needed to try out all potential keys. Of course, one has to add the time needed to change the settings of the rotor, which again were about 10 hours. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.